In this video, you will learn how to make a payment for your requests. When you are required to pay for a service, the system will assign the service to you at the Make Payment step. Click on the request to open it. You will see a detailed breakdown of payment amount by line item. If you have any questions about the payment, you can request clarifications from our staff, or you can proceed to make payment for the service. If this is the first time you're making a payment, you will have to provide the billing address for your company so that correct tax can be calculated for the payment. You will land on the My Payments page for your company. You can also access this page from the left navigation. If you have more than one company enrolled on CSP, you can choose the correct company for which you want to make a payment. The appropriate line items will be automatically selected in the list of service requests waiting for payment. You can change these selections if you want to pay for different set of services. If you have sufficient balance in the account, you can use it to pay for the services. Or you can pay by credit card, check, or bank transfer. After you have made payment, you can view the transaction history and the corresponding invoices. If you need more details about payments on CSP, visit the Help Center